Today I'm going on an African safari adventure in one of the most beautiful game reserves I've ever been to. I'm going to be staying at Botlierskop Game Reserve, which is just outside of Mossel Bay. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the room, food, game drives, and everything else Botlierskop has to offer. I will see you there. We just arrived and wow, it looks so fancy from the outside. I'm excited to see what it looks like from the inside. You can already see some wildebeest down there. That's pretty cool. We just parked and we're making our way to reception. So the time now is 12:30. We've checked in, we just got sorted, but unfortunately our room is only ready at 2 p.m. So we might have some lunch, we're gonna chill. We've also got a game drive at 2:30 p.m. which I'm extremely excited for. But for now, we're just chilling. I'm enjoying my free champagne, the welcome champagne. And they also gave us these complimentary bread things. Those are pretty good. I'll see you in a little bit, I'm just gonna enjoy this view. We are making our way to the room. I'm very excited. Welcome to our room at Botlierskop Game Reserve. This place looks awesome. Let's go check it out. Before we go into the room, I'll let my friend explain to you how to use these rocks at the entrance of the room.
He's going to take your video.
So it's first time here? Okay, so these rocks don't disturb sign. If you are in the room, you take more rock, you put on the top like that. No anyone can disturb you on the room. And if you are not here, you take more rock and then you put it down.
That's your do not disturb sign.
Yes.
Brilliant.
I love that, that's so cool. Let's go inside and see what this room has to offer. Wow, I really love this room at Botlierskop Game Reserve. We are staying in a deluxe tented suite right here at Botlierskop Game Reserve, right outside Mossel Bay, South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be insane. There's definitely something special about this place, and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you want to check out more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. It's at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their website, you'll see that this game reserve is home to 4 of the big 5. That is really cool. So if you want to stay the night, there is a range of luxury accommodation, or if you want to just come for the day, there are a lot of activities that you can do, including a game drive safari, a horseback safari, or you can just chill at the pool. Yeah, I can definitely get used to this. If you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. So let's get into the tour. Wow, welcome inside. This room doesn't even feel like you're staying at the game reserve. When you first walk in, this amazing view catches your eye. Wow, look at this view. Let's start off with the lounge. You have a beautiful couch with the TV and the fireplace. Yeah, I could sit here for a while. This card is also actually pretty cool. It's a welcome card, but it also functions as another thing. So the cool thing about this card is you can actually plant it and water it, and it actually grows into some type of plant. That is awesome. That's a great little touch. I love that. Moving on. You'll see at the entrance there's a coffee and tea bar for everything that you need to make a good coffee or tea. There's also a sink and a fully stocked mini fridge. That's awesome.
So you have a coffee set. It's free. It's complimentary coffee.
There's also an aircon in case it gets too hot in here. Next up we have the bedroom. There is a huge king-sized 4-poster bed that looks so comfortable. It also has a mosquito net so that you don't get bitten. I think I have to test this bed out. Yeah, I definitely approve. I'm gonna sleep well tonight. You gotta check out this view from the bed. You can enjoy this view from the bed, or you can sit on these armchairs and enjoy the view. Or you can go into the balcony and enjoy it from the outside.
If you have a like buffaloes, rhinos, giraffe, bondbok, springbok, elephant, you're coming down there, sometimes passing there on the river. So it's nice view for you. The river, no crocodile, no hippo, it's fishy just. I'm hoping to see some amazing sightings from this room. I'm gonna enjoy this view a little bit later, but for now, let's check out the bathroom. There is a deep oval bath with this amazing view. Yours is a cool bath. Just look at this. There is an inside and an outside shower. I love a good outside shower, and it doesn't get much better than this view. So the outside shower, no anyone gonna see you beside monkey just. Okay. So no funny monkey business out there. Yes, true. So thank you very much, good people. So any question, any complaining for this room? I must leave it in the comments below if they have any questions, eh? Yeah. There is a separate room for the toilets and it looks great. There are his and hers basins that are made out of stone, and that is awesome. They work well. So that's the room. Let's go see what else Botlierskop has to offer. You can go enjoy a meal at the restaurant. You can go sit and relax at the pools. There's 2 pools, so you can sit at the upper level pool or the lower level pool, but they both have an amazing view. Just have a look at this view. It is actually unbelievable. I actually just saw some Inyala walking across the river right in front of the hotel. It was really cool. You can go on a horse safari, but if anything goes wrong, you better hope that you have the fastest horse. You can go get a massage at the spa. You can go fishing. You can even go on a bushwalk, which seems scary, but I definitely have to do it in the future. You can go canoeing in the river right here, but don't worry, there's no hippos and no crocodiles, so you should be good. You can even play tennis if you want to have a good game with an amazing view. You can also go on a guided game drive, which is what we're about to go on. So I will see you there. I'm proper excited. I think we're about to leave soon, so I will let you know when our game ranger arrives. While we waited for our game ranger to arrive, we enjoyed the view. My dad gave it a thumbs up. Then our game ranger arrived. Are you gonna get us some good sightings today?
Try my best.
Okay, cool.
My best.
This is our vehicle for today, and it looks like it'll do the job. We then got into the vehicle and we're ready to go. Yo, what's it like here? Yeah.
These guys are the yala. The male you call it a bull, where the female is a cow. The small you call it a water buck. It's also known as the fluffy one. You can see 4 young males, is what they call them gravy. Wildebeest. The wildebeest, the male. Our longest male will be the best.
This is definitely way more beautiful than the Kruger.
For mating season, the hunting season, then you hear them making their sound. Just need small big and their friends can actually make a line.
That's good. The look my dad gave me was like, what do you want from me now? We just pulled over for some drinks. We're gonna have sundowners over here and just look at this location. It is unbelievable. I've honestly never seen a more beautiful game reserve. I'm feeling very grateful right now. This is so beautiful. Wow, I've never in a game reserve as well. This is another level, I swear. You guys need to get here. If you're ever close to Mossel Bay, I highly recommend that you guys come to Botlierskop Game Reserve. It is a special experience. I found the skull. Should I kiss it? You're making me a good gin and tonic, eh?
Yeah. Strong one, the lion must smell it.
Good, just how I like it. Got a gin and tonic. We just finished our drinks. That gin and tonic was amazing. He made it perfectly. What a spot to have a drink. I couldn't have asked for a much better place. I don't think it gets much better than this. It is a perfect view, perfect location, unique animals as well. We just arrived back to the room after the game drive, and wow, that was amazing. That had to have been one of the most beautiful game drives I've ever been on in my life. It was an unbelievable experience. I really enjoyed it. The only part that annoyed me was my camera dying. So I couldn't even film the rest of it. We missed like the last part of it. I didn't, but you guys did, unfortunately. We saw ostriches, which was a first for me, seeing ostriches in the wild. Another new one for me was seeing a bontebok. It was like a multicolored buck. It was really cool. Another new one was seeing a black impala. Wow, that was so interesting. Apparently they're not in the Kruger because they don't have camouflage, so it's too easy for them to be seen, so the lions can take them out way easier. So here they're way more protected. The lions are in another reserve, so animals live the life over here. The plan now is we're gonna get ready for supper, and then we're gonna make our way there. So I will see you guys at supper. Starters, I got lentil samosas and my dad got butternut soup. This is our main and it looks unbelievable. It is a spicy chickpea burger and oh wow, I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Let's get involved. And then desserts, a cheesecake, and my dad had the creme brulee. We just got back from supper and wow, I'm extremely full. It was delicious though, but I will see you guys in the morning. Night. So, that is everything that we did at Botlierskop Game Reserve. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.